Well, today, folks, I'm going to go out and hunt for some tyranny in my own hometown here in Wichita Falls. I about had it with all these tyrants running around doing good deeds and stuff. I can't accept it, so join me for the ride along. It's not very long. It's only, let me look here, it's about 5.5 minutes long. Enjoy.
What, is this a communist country or something? I thought this is America!
Good morning, folks. It's Sunday morning. I have no idea what time it is. Let me have a look. It is 11:20 a.m. Sunday morning, December.
Anywho's and bees.
The 26th, the day after Christmas. I'm out doing my First Amendment audits today, looking for tyranny in Wichita Falls. Tyranny, I say.
That was the single most important thing in my life.
Or tyranny, as one of my auditor buddies likes to call it, tyranny.
Man, this guy doesn't... quit it!
Yes, sir. I don't see anything suspicious. I don't see any suspicious activity that I need to investigate or detain anyone for. But you never know. With the world and the state that it is, you can never know when you're going to find a police officer writing a ticket or stopping somebody from killing pedestrians, driving without a license and insurance. You never know when that kind of tyranny is going to pop up right in front of you.
So guys, there will be no video today.
So I've got the eyes open, old eagle eye unclean. That's what they call me out here on the streets. Auditing America. Not to be confused with Dingleberry auditing America. Or Dingleberry the USA auditing the USA America guy. Anyway, so far so good. It's been 2 minutes of unequaled freedom here so far. Anyway, I'll get back to you when I come out of the store.
Come on, let's go! I'm right here!
Randy.
Sit down before you get hurt.
Well, no tyranny yet, folks. Got my little shopping done. Now I'm gonna audit the hospital here. Emergency room parking lot half empty like usual. The ambulance is parked there, not doing his job, not out rescuing sick people or whatever. Good Lord, where's the helicopter today? I demand to see that helicopter. That's where they keep the helicopter. That's the helicopter garage. It must be inside. They're loafing too.
What is its nature? What does he do, this man you seek?
What do you think it is, Sunday? Jesus, there's no medical emergencies going on anywhere. Good Lord. These tyrants working on their taxpayers' money. I paid their bills. I bought that helicopter.
I'm rich, biatch!
I expect seeing it flying around. Stop flying over my house. You make too damn much racket. I don't care. Go around it. I don't care if it's an emergency or not. Crying out loud. Anyway. There's the big hospital there. Big old hospital. Right down the street from my house. In case I ever get sick, I ain't got far to go. Or if I have an emergency.
A census taker once tried to test me. I ate his liver with some fava beans and a nice Chianti.
Oh. Yep. Never know what tyranny I'm gonna find out here. I've been looking for 22 years, I ain't found any yet, but one of these days I'm gonna find it. And boy, are they gonna be sorry. I'll make them famous. I will make them famous. Then I'll file a lawsuit and I'll get rich. I'm telling you, it's gonna be great. It's gonna be real great. Oh, bumpy damn roads. My tax dollars apparently don't go to maintaining the roads on this end of town because they're shit. There's a sign that says road work ahead. There ain't no road work. Ain't no lick of road work anywhere around here. Oh, they blew a water main over there. They're fixing the water main. Okay, yeah, okay, that's important. Wouldn't have a broken water main if you had a smoother street, you know. That's been proven scientifically. Good Lord. Day after Christmas, and it's going to be 90 degrees today. It's already about 80. That's what I'm talking about, a brown Christmas. Have you ever seen such a brown Christmas? Well, you're seeing it now, Buster. Anyway, I'm almost back to my house, so I reckon I'll cut it off here. And I can't find any of these tyrants. They're all hiding from me. They see me coming, they hide. That's what they do. Anyway, that's it for today, folks. Bye.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought I was in America. I'm sorry.
Well, there we go. I went out to gather some content for my story. I couldn't find any, so I made some stuff up, and I sounded really mad, and it was wonderful. Freedom in America, folks. Bye.